Hi, I'm Riccardo Lattanzi. I'm a professor of radiology and the chair of the organizing committee of the 2026 i2i workshop at NYU Langone Health. The i2i workshop is an international conference dedicated to what's new and what's next in medical imaging research. In 2026, we're looking at imaging science through the lens of learning. In the last decade, machine learning and artificial intelligence have transformed many disciplines of science and medicine, including biomedical imaging. We want to take a step back and ask, what is learning? Learning as a human ability, learning as a digital technology, what they have in common, what makes each unique, and how they come together at the leading edge of biomedical imaging. That's what the i2i workshop has always been about, fresh perspectives and the spark of inspiration that drives imaging research forward. A big part of what makes this conference special is the community. People come from across the field and from around the world, bringing real enthusiasm for the science and for each other. Join us in New York this October at the 2026 i2i workshop.